Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't know why Chip mentioned my name, but Devil Man's trying to get attention again. Told you before, this year is the year of the real fake niggas get left in the rain. Think cause I'm up there sitting on the plane that I can't really hear what the people are saying, but I can hear everything loud and clear, and they're telling me to tell you to stay in your lane. Lord of the mics, fam, I could've clashed any man, but I said fam, let me clash Devil Man, cause if man taking the 0121 style Birmingham are gone clear like Evian. But since then man I can't hear ya. Real Grammy niggas say they won't go near ya, and you would get a Vung My Loms from Denjon Vincent if you do a show in your area. And when you talk about 0121, I know some serious people in some serious places. I saw your setting, it's basic. You try fake it. Did a YouTube video, none of your guys in the back ever showed their faces, cause they know Devil Man did snitch on some serious cases. Say my name, nah, that's not right. Heart on my sleeve anytime that I write. Them man can't say anything that I ain't already told man about my life. Made a couple shit songs, yeah, that's nice. Repeated my bars, oh yeah, that's nice. Cause when your bars are hard like mine, fam, sometimes man I gotta say them twice. Fact of the matter is my bars totally murk. Your bars sound like you're smoking the work. Before you end up on the sex offenders list, man, I gotta put the devil in the dirt. What I go on for certain man. Thought it was a clash about music. All of a sudden, Devil Man, you wanna sperm on man. Like a TV, you wanna turn on man. Talk about music, me and my bros are killing it all over the globe. Now you're angry cause everybody on your road is asking for me like the Wi-Fi code. Sep sang wong sai malai pong yo tayomi I wong song, you're not ready. And if you ever gave me an ounce of skunk pussy, I wouldn't pay you a penny. Wong San. Keep my name out your nasty mouth. Your nasty lyrics. Nasty.